So I washed my hair last night and just let it air dry. It's just dry as hell. So this is how we're looking. The shrinkage is real. So I should start in the back.
Definitely.
So I'm having to lean this because your girl didn't get no spray bottle. It don't matter anyway. You ready?
Yeah.
Why don't you come over here and hold my hand?
Yeah, the new growth is right here. You don't even want to do it.
I do want to do it. I just want to do it right. Even though I don't know why I'm tripping about this back part because it's still going to be shorter than the rest of the hair. Right here.
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
You positive?
I'm positive. Go ahead.
This shit is not even cutting. Look.
Told you.
Look at my hair. Like Jerry girl. I feel good about this.
I bet you do.
I do. Like my auntie said, I got 50,000 caps in the closet.
Look how long your hair is.
I know, it's a shrinkage.
Okay.
Perfect.
My pony.
Come on, baby.
Perfect.
Let's see this from. Hold on. Look. What? My hair. I look like a raggedy hand, dog. Oh, it feels so good.
Perfect.
Without no product. Look. Look at my body.
Bang.
Look at my body. Boo. Ow.
Yeah, bang.
And then put a ponytail right here. Ooh, look, kid.
Yeah, do not do that.
Look.
Don't.
Right. Look. Right there. See what their reaction is. Put it look. Look at my hair. It ain't even styled yet. My little fro. Okay, so we're in the car. We are on the way to go get our haircut. Candy to line up or edge up or whatever you call it. And I need the same. We're gonna see if we can walk in and get our haircut. You think so? I can't wait till it's finished. I'm in you don't know if I got good hair or not stage right now. I am never doing this again because this is burning. Oh my God, how do y'all do this? This is burning. Like, I'm about ready to, honey, let it be light and dark and honey, all different color. I'm gonna let it just be all different colors because, baby, I am burning. I'm burning. My nose is running. It's so bad. But I'm trying to hold on to it. The back is super blonde and burnt. Super blonde and burnt. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to get it together.
Perfect.
I'm back when.